In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to directly contact Taobao support team. You can simply talk to one of Taobao customer service in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head to Taobao. You want to tap right here on account. On this page, tap onto this support icon at your upper right. You will wait for it to load. Here, just tap on Taobao customer service. Now you can simply choose among these listed options, if at all that's what you want to talk about. If there's something different you want to inquire about, you just want to go ahead and write in the question here. Once done, before sending, tap right here to also add in something like a screenshot. It will bring out your explanation very well. They won't take long to reply to you, but this also depends on the number of requests they are working on. It usually takes less than half a day for Taobao to reply and work on fixing your issue. Well, that's how easy it is to directly contact Taobao customer service. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.